Hey everyone, I'm Rayan Lukman, a fully registered early childhood teacher and education leader right here in Australia with a master's degree and 10 years of experience in this wonderful wild industry. Today, I'm going to share the shocking secret to getting toddlers to listen to you. Spoiler alert, it's probably not what you think. So buckle up because this ride is about to get wild. Alright, let's get real for a second. Toddlers, they are like tiny, adorable dictators. They've got their own rules, their own timeline, and their own way of making you question every life choice you've ever made. And if you're here, you've probably tried everything to get them to listen. But guess what? It's not your fault. You've been doing it all wrong. Controversial statement alert. You're probably expecting me to say, just be patient. Get down to their level. Use a calm voice. Nah, you know what works. Drum roll. It's bribery. Yes, you heard me right. Bribery. But before you freak out and report me to some imaginary toddler police, hear me out. I'm not talking about bribing them with candy every 5 seconds. Though hey, no judgment if you do. I'm talking about a sneaky, clever kind of bribery. Step 1. The offer they can't refuse. Toddlers have one thing they care about more than anything in the world. No, it's not their favorite toy. It's control. They want to be in charge. So here's what you do. Offer them a choice. You want them to clean up their toys? Say, hey, you can either put the blocks away or I'll let you put the cars away first. Your choice. Boom! Suddenly, they feel like they're the boss. And guess what? They'll listen. Shocking, right? Yeah! You might be thinking, Ryan, hey, isn't this manipulation? And my answer is yes. Wink. But it's totally ethical. Early childhood teacher approved way. Okay, this is my absolute favorite. Toddlers love doing the opposite of what you want, right? So, use it to your advantage. Want them to eat their veggies? Try this. Oh, I bet you can't eat that broccoli. It's way too tough for you. Suddenly, they're devouring it like it's candy. It's like magic. And you'll be sitting there like, wait, did this just really happen? Remember folks, you are the puppet master here, but in a fun way, like the cool puppet master. Step 3, the unexpected twist. Now, here's where things get really controversial. Sometimes the best way to get toddler to listen is not to make them listen. Yes, I said it. Sometimes you've got to let them do their thing. Because here's the truth. They're still learning. They're exploring. And guess what? Sometimes when you step back, they'll surprise you. You see, when you give them this space to make decisions, to experiment, to fail, they'll learn to listen themselves. And that's the ultimate win. Look, I'm not saying it's easy, but here's the deal. Parenting, teaching, it's all about balance. Sometimes you guide them with a soft hand. Sometimes you're a ninja with reverse psychology. And sometimes You just let them be. And that's, my friend, is the real secret. Not the patience, not the calm voice, but the balance. Oh, and maybe a little bit of bribery. So there you have it. The shocking truth about getting toddlers to listen. Try it out and let me know how it works in the comments below. And hey, if you got some crazy stories about toddlers' antics, drop them in those comments too, and let's laugh together. Make sure to like, to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more wild early childhood tips. I'm Rayan Lukman, your early childhood teacher with a master's degree and a whole lot of stories. Until next time, remember, you are not just surviving toddlers. You are thriving with them. Bye.